Hi everyone, welcome to Pawpaw's Workshop. Here it is, a pretty day before the storm comes in and I need to get the grass cut. What do I find? A flat tire. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way today on how to get that aired back up. Let's get started. And not only is the tire flat, but it popped away from the rim. So I've got to be able to get the tire back to the rim and then get the air in it. First thing we're going to do is just jack this up real quick. And I want to be able to get this tie down underneath this tire and be able to wrap it around it, because the seal is actually broken from the tire to the rim. Alright, now that we've got it up, let me show you how we're going to do this. I'm in a pretty tight area to be able to work in this, but basically all I'm going to do is just take this tie down and work it right underneath the tire and have it in the center. So there we go there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hook the other end, take up the slack, and then we're just going to ratchet this tight. And what it's doing is putting the pressure in the center of the tire and forcing the tire back to the rim itself. That may be enough. Let's get some air and see. Need a little bit more. And once you get the seal back around it, you can release the tie down and finish airing it up. And there we go. We'll check the air pressure, and this will be done. I can get going on the cutting of the grass. Okay. We're going to need a little bit more air. And there we go. Okay, we needed 12 pounds of air. I know that's hard to see in the camera, but that's right on 12. So it's time to go mow the grass. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also, check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.